Hi guys. So I noticed that a lot of people started coughing around me today. I'm not I'm not sure if I stink. I mean, I took a shower this morning. I put deodorant on. I brushed my teeth. I don't know, but it's really nerve-wracking. Like, it kind of like messed with my mind. Like, it just I don't. It made me feel really bad about myself. I don't know. But then I finally noticed that it's been happening a lot. Like, not just today. Like, today was like probably like one of the worst times. I felt like they didn't want me in the room. Okay, I went to work today, right? And then I walked in the office, then everyone started coughing at me. It's like viciously. So I just like slowly backed out. And I was like, okay. I was like, my presence isn't wanted. Why do people do that? I mean, I don't know, but it's messing with my mind. I've been thinking about it probably like all day, and it's just like bugged me. And I noticed they started doing that at home too. Then I kind of started. I, I started crying. It's ridiculous. I don't know, but it's bugging me a lot. It's like literally a lot. Does anyone else get like that? I sure hope so, cause I'm like about to go crazy. um, Tomorrow I'm going to work again, and I don't know if people start to cough around me. I'll just leave the room right away, immediately, like literally immediately, without a word. I'll just leave. It's messing with my mind. Like, it's messing with my feelings. I don't know, but it's really messing with me. Like, not like emotionally, and I don't know. Why do people do that? Like, sneezing is another thing too. Like, that's fine. That's just like bless you, whatever. Like, stuff like that. I don't know. But like they just like literally like cough towards me, just like I'm gross or something. I feel like I'm gonna go crazy. It's gross. Are they telling me that I'm not doing something right, or am I doing something wrong? Am I? Sorry, I'm just kind of trying to. Am I doing something that they don't like, or I'm doing something that's annoying them? Because what they're doing back at me is just like it's like literally making me crazy. I don't know what to do about it. Like, do I tell someone about that? Isn't that a form of adult bullying? It, it feels like it is to me, kind of. I don't know. It feels like bullying because it hurts. But I've noticed it's been happening recently because I haven't really been paying attention to anything. I've just been myself. But right now, it's messing with me badly. I don't know what to do about it. Honestly, it's like I don't know. If you don't like me, just tell me instead of making ugly noises at me like that. Sorry, I can't really. There you go. It's better. Sort of. Not really. Kind of. Yeah. I don't know. Is it gonna happen all the time? Is it the way I'm dressed? Is it the way I walk? Is it typically the way I speak? Is it? Oh my god. I don't know. It's driving me nuts. I'm serious. It's messing with my mind. Like, why would someone wanna make someone go crazy like that? I have enough to deal with. Stop it, please. Anyways, leave a comment. Tell me, video, whatever. If you're going through that too, just tell me. You need to know that that's not just happening to me. I don't know. I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching.